Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the screen color on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. And from here you will find the option of screen color mode. Just tap on it, and from here you can change the screen color mode which you like. Now it is currently on natural, and on natural it will display softer colors, and also you can select vivid. And by selecting vivid, it will boost the colors as you can see in the preview. And also under screen color temperature, you can change the temperature of the screen color as you like. Now as you can see, it is currently on default, but if you select cold, it will apply a blue hue to the colors of the screen, and if you select warm, it will apply a yellow hue to the colors of the screen. And also you can change the color temperature as you like from here. And this is how you can change the screen color on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.